This is based on the Kellogg's Nuts and Bolts recipe with a few festive additions. Start with your butter, oil and Worcestershire sauce in a saucepan. Add your garlic salt, paprika and cayenne pepper. Place it on the stove to gently simmer while you measure out the rest of your ingredients. First, your Nutri-Grain, then your soy crisps, then your Festive pretzels or mini pretzels. Mixed nuts, dried cranberries, Pistachios. I had to shell my own pistachios. Place it all in a bowl. Add your butter mix and gently mix well. Try not to spill it out of the bowl. I had to admit defeat and split the mix. Now 2 lots to mix. Place in a baking tray, or in my case, 2 baking trays. I combined the remaining mix to make sure I got it well coated in butter. Place in the oven at 130 degrees for 15 minutes. Bring out the trays and gently stir. You want to cook for a total of an hour, turning every 15 minutes. And if you've got 2 trays, rotate them in the oven. Allow to cool. Quality control. Place in airtight containers when cool.